Inside the food service industry, there are a few main drivers for the difficulty forecasting the food waste problem. And the main reasons are the following: lack of inventory and menu planning once food is supplied, difficulties in forecasting the flow of clients, and lack of menu design once food is provided and purchased. Wrong storage practices, poor monitoring use-by dates, and lack of technology awareness in the use of fridge, freezer, oven once food is stored. Lack of culinary skills, preparation mistakes, overcooking, or lack of byproduct valorization once food is prepared. Too big food portions standardized and not adapted to the client's needs once food is served. Big orders or lack of sense of responsibility about the food that clients leave on their plates. The Life Foster training model focuses organizationally in a training that follows this four-step cycle. 1. Problem recognition and definition. Food waste is an unstructured problem because its precise causes and effects are difficult to identify, and there is no shared problem definition. Life Foster project adopted a broad perspective and consider all types of food surplus, loss, and waste within the food cycle. 2. Strategy development to fix the problem in your organization. In our strategy, we look for the identification of the leakage points, map of the involved actors, root causes, connections, and feedback loops of one's own restaurant context of reference. 3. Adopt and implement a solution plan. In this part, we focus on research and prioritization of the most appropriate solutions or options for waste prevention and management of food waste by applying the food waste hierarchy and circular economy principles. There's no single solution to solve the whole food waste problem in a restaurant, so let's move from food waste management to food waste prevention. 4. Progresses and results monitoring. What gets measured gets managed, and with food waste quantification we can save money, time, and the environment. Every solution can be improved, but what really matters is to start and to take on board feedback from restaurant team and customers. The Life Foster training approach is to operate upstream the food value chain to reduce its production according to the waste hierarchy and following the principles of circular economy. The course adopts an innovative systemic approach to curb food waste in food service industry through a holistic view by building on and going beyond existing initiatives practices related to food waste in restaurants. The Life Foster web application to quantify food waste value and amount in the restaurant sector. Restaurants and VET centres currently lack sufficient insight into how much, why, and where food and/or associated inedible parts are removed from the food supply chain. The Food Waste Flow Balance is the web application designed by the University of Gastronomic Sciences within the Life Foster project as the monitoring tool for the prevention and management of the food waste in voluntary training centres and restaurants. With the Food Waste Flow Balance, the user will be able to 1. Quantify food waste and its value during the storage, preparation and consumption phases, and have a diagnostic of the spillage points of your menu, considering the food waste and the other energy and water costs, with a graphical representation of easy and immediate understanding of these pieces of information. 2. Get hold of useful elements to design effective solutions. 3. Create awareness on the food value and strengthen the engagement within the staff.